Now, White Pine County Daily News with Wyatt Cox.
KELY News brought to you by Sahara Motors. Hard work doesn't have to be uncomfortable. The Kawasaki Ridge Limited HVAC side-by-side, built with comfort in mind, so you can enjoy the good times all year round. Check it out today at Sahara Motors. Well, the mercury topped out at 87 yesterday with some gusty winds. We'll still see some breezes today, but not quite as high as yesterday. Sunny skies on tap, a high of 85. And it's official. Schellraiser moving to Wells. As we reported last month, Schellraiser, our organizer Rudy Herndon, approached the city of Wells about relocating their music festival there following significant governmental issues in White Pine County. Well, on Tuesday night, the Wells City Council voted unanimously to host Schellraiser at Wells City Park on May 29th and 30th of next year. With the change in venues and locations, Herndon tells us he'll be rebranding the festival and will call the event Schellraiser Presents Humboldt Hideaway. Rudy Herndon will join us at 8:45 to talk about the moves this morning. Commission put off consideration of an ordinance to dispose of funds for the sale of airport-adjacent land. That after KELY reported yesterday a former county commissioner and the former county manager might be involved in a project to develop the property and other land near the airport for a solar farm. Commissioner Paula Carson, who put the item on the agenda, asked that the item be tabled so that the parties interested in developing the land could make a presentation to the commission, and they did table that item. An amendment to the White Pine Water Power LLC road maintenance agreement now includes a $100,000 insurance bond requirement, responding to Commissioner Pauly's call for taxpayer protections. That followed a sharp exchange between District Attorney Melissa Brown and Commissioner Tim Pauly. Brown said she emailed the commissioner several times to discuss the issue of bonding in this and other projects. Pauly flat admitted he was too busy with his business to deal with this issue that he had insisted on pursuing. And the issue of the bond didn't sit well with RPlus Hydro General Counsel Kevin Baker, who told the meeting,
"We are disappointed in the Commission's decision to require a large bond and place a time limitation to the proposed amendment to the road use agreement. The use of the North Industrial is beneficial to both the project and the county. We support and concur with Superintendent Trout's determination that the AT test is not anticipated to cause any damage to the North Industrial Road. In the unlikely event that RPlus does cause any damage, we are legally required to fix and to pay for that damage, which we stand by and have stood by. We are also required to do a pre-survey and a post-survey so that the county may understand and know what the preconditions were and if any damage occurred. We are concerned that this requirement is being applied unilaterally and arbitrarily without statutory authority, and we request, before moving forward, that we have further conversations with the county and with your legal representation regarding this amendment. Thank you."
And other things took place at the commission meeting yesterday. There was a discussion on giving the road superintendent Martin Truitt authority to sign future road agreements, but it died for lack of a motion. Commissioners claimed they trusted Truitt, weren't sure about how his successors would handle the authority. Nevada Rural Housing Authority secured a total of 14 new home loans for White Pine County residents in the past year. They contributed $1.5 million on those loans. Commission unanimously approved to transfer $399,000 in unused bond caps for affordable housing financing. District Attorney Melissa Brown granted blanket authority to engage in future opioid settlements without individual board approvals, with Purdue Pharma settlement expected to provide $25,000 annually for 10 years, focusing on remediation efforts. The county-owned house at 27 Connors Court received no bids at public auction, seemingly because of statutory mandated appraisal minimum bid of $225,000, the minimum price for the home. It will be re-agendized and re-advertised. The September 24th commission meeting has been canceled due to conference conflicts that the three commissioners will be attending at conferences. 3 commissioners at Wednesday's meeting, unable to attend, each seem to be having a great deal of difficulty coping with teams in the communications of the meeting. A decades-old Nevada law requiring parents to be notified when a minor seeks an abortion is now set to take effect. Nevada Right to Life announced the change, calling it a historic victory nearly 40 years after the law was first passed. The statute blocked by federal court since 1985 over constitutional concerns tied to Roe v. Wade. But that precedent's now been overturned and the legal roadblock lifted. Nevada law requires parental notification, not consent, and joins 36 other states with similar rules. At today's Ely City Council meeting, the mayor will propose a $10,000 aid package for businesses affected by recent utility disruptions caused by the Aultman Street construction. Council members will also review which businesses would qualify for that help. Council also set to hold a first reading of a new ordinance that would allow the city attorney to live outside of White Pine County. And finally, officials will get an update on the revocation of White Pine Mobile Park's business license with possible direction on what steps to take next. The council meets 5 o'clock this afternoon in the Volunteer Fire Hall. At 8:17 for Sahara Motors, that's your first check of news for the state of Nevada.
Are you in the market for a reliable vehicle? Look no further than Sahara Motors. Located just a mile north of Ely on US 93, they take pride in offering a wide selection of top-notch vehicles to suit every need and budget. From the newest Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and tough Ram trucks, reliable used cars and trucks, and Kawasaki's. They have something for everyone. They are dedicated to helping you find the perfect vehicle to fit your lifestyle and preferences. We can even work with you to build the car or truck of your dreams. Sahara Motors offers competitive pricing, flexible financing options, and exceptional customer service every step of the way. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Shop online at SaharaMotors.com. Then visit Sahara Motors a mile north of Ely on US 93. Tell them Wyatt sent you. Your dream car is waiting for you at Sahara Motors in Ely.